Hi there. Okay, so on this diamond painting, I don't understand why, but this color right here, which is supposed to be like a reflection in the water of this house, I kind of wondered about it. And then I realized that this house is going to be this color. Yuck. Bright yellow house. I don't like it. So don't be afraid to change colors. So what I'm going to do is I got some drills from a previous kit. And I think this color would look good. And change it. So I'm going to pull all these out. And put this in there. Because it's supposed to be a reflection of the house, I think. But I'm going to pull those out. And replace with this color. And make this house this color. So I'll do a after, but this is going to go away because I just don't. A bright yellow house, how many bright yellow houses do you see in the world? Not too many. And they're tacky. So anyways, then I'm going to do this and I'll come back with the after. Okay, just get a nice sharp I have a tray below here to catch it, so just pull them out. Easiest way to do it. Yes, we'll see. Okay, so no, you little troublemaker. No. Okay, so I took this house that was supposed to be this bright yellow with a reflection of the bright yellow, and I made it a paler color. Oops. So I didn't want the big bird house. I wanted a regular, normal looking house. And I think it was a wise decision. Very pleased with it. Hey, this is falling down. It's really big. Anyways, I kind of moved it so I can film it here. There we go. So don't be afraid to change a color on a canvas that you don't like. I think this made such a difference. I can't see big bird house here. And if you can get a back view here, I think it makes a really big difference. Right, Sammy? Yeah. Okay. That was successful. Birdie flying off.